Okay, this is Tequila Dave, Shackleman Challenge number 2. Take, well, the first one was a fail. All the other ones, for some reason, they just keep on stopping. So, got some hair clips. Challenge number 2 is to make an improvised and do as quick as I can, because they all seem to stop really quick. Keyholes towards me. For some reason, I don't know, I get halfway through and maybe it's the words I'm saying, so I'm not going to mention anything about CUFFs or certain like T words and stuff like that. Where do these go? Right, I'm going to snap that off. I've learnt what you want to do is snap it off here as opposed to there. So I really hope this works. This is actually recording. I'm just going to make sure this is recording. Yep, looks like it's recording. For some reason, I don't know why, but the last 3 videos I've done tonight have recorded halfway, and maybe when I've mentioned certain keywords or I've shown certain things, they've just stopped recording. Oh, come on. This is a real nightmare. Right, I don't think I'll be using that side. Like I said, this is for a certain bloke called who's an escapologist. I'll say. Like I said, I'm not going to say any particular keywords. This is the outside bit of that. You don't want it. You could use that for US ones maybe. This is fine for UK. That side feels a little bit better. These aren't particularly good hair clips. I'm sure if I say hair clips, that won't flag me up in the YouTube blacklist or anything like that. I shouldn't even say words like that, should I? I'm sure that's probably even politically incorrect these days. It's yeah, I know that is. We don't call that anymore. They're block lists and stuff like that. So what I'm doing, I'm just thinning down these. Still don't reckon it's enough. So it depends on the quality and the manufacture of these. Some are better than others. Some have got a really thick coating, some don't. You can see the black's coming off there, which is good. Is it still recording? I wonder. Let me just have a check in a sec. It's getting towards a time when it normally stops recording. No, still going. Just going to smooth down the edges a little bit. so bad. There we are. Round off the I think you can probably hear that. I'm just going to round off the edges a little bit. Makes it a little bit smoother to go in. That's only one side. I don't know if you know, here's a good tip if you want to file a round thing on something, you don't go like that, you actually go, no, you go like that, which is quite good. I think that's a woodwork tip, that is. Right. Let's see if that works. One thing you do want to do, I have found, is don't have it up a little bit like that. Just it's probably about right because it makes it easier to get in between the pool. And yeah, you don't want to get it between the plastic. There you go. And that's like that. Because it's bended, sometimes it's useful to have it like that. It just gives it a bit more leverage. If it doesn't work one way, try it around the other. Oops, there we go. There's an example of it coming out of the plastic. That's what you don't want to do. There's a good example. Now I've got it bent that way, I might as well try and use it like that. That's the way the bow goes. If you hold it against your leg like that, it's quite handy as well. Again, actually, that makes sure it's properly put down like that.
When you put the band on hiatus, was that the start of the process of kind of putting yourself back together again? No, actually, it was sort of the opposite because between the second and third Scissors record was really when I had to like find myself again.
And
I ran off to Berlin. I woke up. We'd probably written 120 songs.
There you go.
Scissors record, and I didn't know what we were doing. I couldn't see the forest for the trees. I didn't like any of it. I didn't have an idea. I felt like everyone was sitting there waiting, and
Done with a haircut and
just decided I'd buy a one-way ticket to Berlin and leave it.
hopefully that's Shackleman challenge number 2 completed. To get Dave out. Hopefully this hasn't stopped. Well, he hasn't.